I'm Antonia. I'm new at Bluefin. I'm doing business development in Europe. This is my first InfoComm and I'm super impressed with the audience so far. We've had a lot of end customers coming to the booth. People have been super interested and super engaged. And what's been fun is that we've had a lot of existing Bluefin customers come by, people who've had Bluefin screens for years, and they're coming by and checking out what's new, so that's been super fun. What excites me about Bluefin is the quality of the product for one. So our screens are very durable, but still very chic looking. And then the other aspect, of course, is that we can do custom to an extent that almost no one can, which becomes really exciting when we look at new AI applications, for instance. So we can just put in a higher end SoC and run really cool interactive AI applications.